headed to Tribhuvan Chalk now. I'm gonna meet my friend RGB from TikTok. He's also does a lot of videos about Nepalgunj and stuff, but his are in Nepali. I'll link his channel below, and a 5 kg weight in that backpack. That's why I'm out of breath, it's heavy. Go up that way, past the temple, around the way. My friend Harry got that jewelry store. He owns that jewelry store, him and his family. He's funny. I walk by there a lot. What's up?
Hello.
How's it going?
Let's go.
This way?
Do you have visited that Musafir Khana? Have you visited
Which one?
Musafir Khana.
I don't.
Near Nepal.
Oh, is it right down this way?
Yeah.
Oh,
It's a marriage hall.
maybe. I'm not sure if I've been there or not.
Let's go together.
Okay.
Then after that we can go in that biryani stop.
Oh, okay, okay.
Actually, Musafir Khana have a very good story. It is like a story of Taj Mahal, Akbar and Jodha. So we can go there.
Of what now?
Musafir Khana have a story of Jodha Akbar. And when we will read there, I will explain all story.
Oh, okay, no problem. Your English is good. A lot better than my Nepali. So, do you live near here?
Yeah.
You live near?
Yeah.
I walk around this way all the time. Oh, okay. Oh. Through the market. Went into the market. It was hard. Yeah, I don't go in here very often though.
Even
Yeah, sometimes, once in a while. That's are you from Nepalgunj?
yeah,
Originally? That's cool. Ah.
old beautiful mosque.
Yeah, I've walked past it a few times. It's very beautiful.
That
Oh yeah, I would get lost trying to go here.
this is the Musafir Khana. Musafir is Urdu word. Musafir Khana. In English we call it that traveler's home.
Oh.
It's like something like that hotel and motel,
Oh, okay.
where most of the Muslim from another country or any places can come here, and they can live in very cheap amount in hotels.
So they could stay here like,
Yeah.
oh, when they need a
cheap
place.
price. This is
Oh yeah.
let's go outside.
Okay.
I will tell you a story, and you can explain it in your English.
Oh, okay.
Because now I cannot speak like. Have you ever heard about that Jodha Akbar, the Taj Mahal?
The Taj Mahal?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. I've been there. Oh yeah, it was very beautiful.
Oh, you're tired.
Oh wow. Oh, this is really cool. So,
This is a grab
It-
of a person who made this Musafir Khana.
he made this place.
Yeah. And he was Muslim.
Uh-huh.
He have already one wife who was also Muslim.
Ah.
Then he married a Hindu woman. Then
He married a Hindu woman?
yeah,
So he had a Muslim wife and a Hindu wife?
two wife. And while he was during his early late like death is, he told that when I will die, please don't take my body to graveyard. Please do it here.
Oh, so right there.
Husband wife, Muslim husband wife is here, and Hindu wife is different place. And he made masjid also, mandir also for her both wife.
Oh, whoa. I didn't know that. I didn't even know this existed here. That's
So
awesome.
it's a secret,
Oh.
secret thing which I only.
So why is this all up here like
This is
this?
a marriage hall.
Oh, marriage
for,
hall. So people get married
Yeah,
here.
like in other places, it takes high cost for here. They have to pay very less amount.
And-
And mostly poor people can afford this place.
Oh, and so they set that up so special just for people that don't have money. Oh, that's so awesome.
And some people who are coming from another places like India and some from Kathmandu, they are travelers and they don't have that much money to afford in hotels, so they stay here and with very cheap amount. They can stay here like 300 rupees, 200 rupees per night.
In the rooms here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's such a cool story. I didn't know any of that was here at all. Like I've never heard of this place ever. That's so awesome. Cool.
And before this was not here. And during marriage, most of the time rainfall occurs and then everything is so long.
Yeah.
They made this.
Of course there's rain.
So this is masjid.
This is what?
Yeah, masjid, mosque.
Oh, mosque?
Muslim pray namaz here.
Oh, okay.
And the person who made her wife
Ah,
mandir, this is from that side.
over there. So when they were married, did they live separate
Yeah.
places? Oh, okay. Okay.
When you go to home, just see the Akbar and Jodha story, then you will compare.
Ah.
This is old home. The Mubarak Biryani, have you visited Mubarak Biryani?
Yeah, I've been there
So
before.
old Mubarak Biryani place was here.
Oh, the old original Mubarak Biryani was right down there?
Yeah, Rani Talab before.
Oh, yeah, because now it's over like that way, right? Yeah.
Mubarak Ali Ansari.
Oh. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's in a little different spot now.
Slowly. So I have one dialogue in my TikTok ID. I should call you and you should use मुस्कुराइए आप मुसाफिर खाना में. You should say it.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज बता दी हैं. And he's so happy that he know this story and he's so happy. Yeah.
Yeah, very happy to. Thank you so much for bringing me here. Oh yeah. It's a good thing I'm not any fatter.
Now you are living in the true Nepalgunj.
Yeah, I've never seen any of this before. So that's really cool. I mean, I've been like near here, but not inside this area.
The beautiful Nepalgunj.
I like Nepalgunj. It's cool to see like these different parts of Nepalgunj. I like Nepalgunj. I like exploring it. But I don't know the things like you do. So your videos are all awesome. Your videos are cool. Definitely.
I can be a tourist guide.
You what?
Yeah, I can be a tourist guide for anyone outside coming from. Most of the friends who are coming from Kathmandu, I explore them this place. Because this is the only place that they don't ever go.
Yeah.
They only go from highway. Or
Yeah. Definitely. That's so true.
So now we will eat biryani. Then again we will go someplace.
Okay.
And Mastan Biryani is also famous for Buff Biryani.
Oh. No, I've not been down here.
It's also very beautiful.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Go photo khicwa. Yeah.
Did she say
Yeah,
TikTok?
they're teasing each other.
Nepalis love TikTok. Oh yeah, I've never been over here ever. I didn't even know this was here.
Yeah. In old days, this place was a cricket stadium.
It was what? Oh, cricket stadium?
Yeah. Later, it is planned for something like business corporate.
Yeah, I've never seen this area before ever. That's cool.
So your art. Art को मुस्कुराइए कहाँ मुस्कुराइए. अबे दिमाग का है वो. अबे चले ना. चलो. They are playing marble.
Oh.
You can also play. See there. रख होगा आवत रख. मार निशाना तो मारो.
How do you win? Because it's different than marbles in America. So how do you win? What's the rules?
I haven't played.
Oh, yeah.
क्या रूल क्या है? बताओ. कैसे खिलाते?
अबे रख बे पीछे
जो नहीं. हटा दे.
People use this throwaway all the time? Walk through here all the time?
This is also mosque and a school, Muslim school.
Oh, Muslim school. Oh.
There is so much art inside.
Art? Oh.
Yeah. Calligraphy.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Assalamualaikum. इनका मोबाइल दिया थोड़ा कहने ला नेपालगंज दिखा दी.
Cool.
Subscribe my channel RGB Nihal.
Yeah, I'll put it in the description.
Take you to old cities of Nepal.
Old Nepal?
Yeah, old Nepal.
Where are we going? To the Old Nepal. Old city. This one? Old house? Oh, wow, that is old. Oh, wow. That's great.
Like this kind of houses a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I've been collecting this.
You what? You've been collecting what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Old houses.
So does someone live there? No. Ah. 100 years old.
मेरे टिकटॉक बनाने
हैं टिकटॉक ले मेरे साथ बनाओ तो हम मुस्कुराइए आप कहाँ पे हैं कहाँ पे मोड़ लगना हमका पहचान सकना है ना देखे हमका टिकटॉक बना देखे
हम देखेंगे। हाँ।
कहाँ गई तुम्हें डायलॉग कहाँ है
मुस्कुराइए आप नेपालगंज में।
अभी से
मुस्कुराइए आप।
नेपालगंज में किसके साथ में केविन सर के साथ फिर से आप जोर से गाओ मुस्कुराइए
पारा
मुस्कुराइए अभी हम नेपालगंज में रेबिन सर के साथ हैं।
लंबे लोग जल्दी आओ उसके साथ मनाओ आओ सिद्धार्थ तुम आओ लव ओके once again selfie they are my friend
Oh.
आप सबको साथ में गाइए मुस्कुराइए
Mas-
मुस्कुराइए
Muskuray.
आप
Up.
नेपालगंज में
Nepalgunj.
okay now you should say in one word
Oh man.
मुस्कुराइए
Muskahay. Up. Nepalgunj.
Yes.
Yes. There we go.
अपलोड ये सबको जाके कमेंट करो
Ah.
We met over somewhere.
Ah.
I guess I met over there.
Oh no. Oh no. So cute.
He's having a hair fall. Don't touch it. Huh? He's having hair fall.
Oh, hair fall.
Yeah, there's a lot of hair fall.
Oh. I already have hair.
They already have
My dogs. My dogs always get hair on me.
no go inside go bye bye
So you came for what? You were vlogging something?
Yeah. He's been taking me around.
He's a nice person.
Yeah. Definitely.
What about your bike?
Oh, it's at home right now. Yeah, I haven't ridden it yet today.
I'm not swimming with bike
Yeah.
That's why.
Kind of hard to get around sometimes. Yeah.
Definitely.
Oh,
Let me help you out with this.
Ah, it's all good.
but I cannot
But you have a nice bike, I guess.
Oh, thank you. It's good to see you.
Same here. Same here.
evening
Nice to meet you. How are you? Oh, I'm good, thank you.
सबसे बड़ा पुराना कहीं
आज हम अंग्रेज चल मम्मी को लेके जा तो खेल के दिखाओ they are also playing that
Marbles.
okay
वीडियो बना ना
बनत तो है ये गोली खेल रहा है बट हम सर को पता है मरबो करेंगे
मुस्कुराइए
Let's go.